Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, Mom.
Costa Nostra.
As featured on NBC4 News.
That's right. Chuck Bell. Well, it's snowing. Did you get a lot of snow out there?
I don't know. Yes. I meant for your mom.
Oh, for my mom.
Mm-hmm.
I thought you were talking about for your mom.
Okay.
Hi, Mom.
It's just really hard to...
Huh?
It's hard to really capture.
I know because it's so white.
Yeah, and it's just... Get down here.
Tomorrow might be better just because it's sunny.
Yeah.
It's really overcast right now.
Burr.
This is the most snow I can remember ever.
Yep. Look, the birds are starving. Aw.